Nah, I saw it down before, I just picked it up.
No, I think it's just deformed. Oh, look at him. Someone give a commentary.
It's funny with the I'll give it a chip.
Oh, look at him.
It isn't. It had both its feet on.
Don't bully him. Excuse me.
That's not normal.
Oh. That one's totally its brother defending him.
It's younger.
That is so cute. To bullying against one-legged birds, Australia says no. Stop.
No doubt.
That one has such a tall neck.
Giraffe bird. They're all so deformed.
I think it's not normal.
Oh, they're ganging up now. Yeah, I need to stop filming. That's scary. Okay, let's go.